Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you benefits of honey for your skin and how to use it. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get it started. Honey has been included in many home remedies and DIYs for a long time. That's because the benefits of honey for the skin are something everyone can rely on to treat a few common skin ailments that are otherwise minor yet irritating and troublesome. Honey has many skin enriching properties that bring the skin to its healthy best. Even for home remedies, honey as an ingredient can give you major results in treating various skin conditions. Honey is a natural humectant. Honey has natural moisturizing properties and therefore it is a great ingredient to be added in skincare DIYs and to naturally moisturize your skin. Once applied to the skin, it helps in softening the skin's upper layers and deeply penetrating the skin to offer hydration to underlying skin layers too. Tips: always wash off honey after leaving it on for a few minutes. Honey is a non-vegan skincare ingredient. As you may know, honey comes from bees and any animal products are not considered to be vegan. Therefore, if you are into vegan skincare and wish to strongly follow veganism, then this natural ingredient may not be a good choice for you. Tips: those who have pollen allergies should stay away from honey too. Acne treated with honey. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties play an important role in removing excess oil from the skin and clearing clogged pores, therefore preventing the cause of breakouts like pimples, acne, blackheads and whiteheads. Organic honey contains healthy bacteria that helps treat redness and inflammation associated with breakouts. Tips: honey also helps heal blemishes, making it a good choice for treating acne. Get glowing skin with honey. Honey has skin brightening properties and also lends a healthy moisturized glow to the face after uses. Honey is good to treat dry skin but also works extremely well in treating oily, acne-prone and combination skin types as well. Honey has moisturizing properties that leave the skin feeling hydrated and not sticky and oily, unlike what one would imagine. Since you should use honey and rinse it off after a few minutes, the stickiness from honey goes away and all that's left is hydrated, glowing and balanced skin. Tips: slather on a layer of honey on your cheeks, forehead and chin. Leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse with a gentle cleanser for a gorgeous hydrated glow. Fade scars with honey. Honey has natural antiseptic properties which help in wound healing and fading of scars. Therefore, honey isn't just great to keep your skin soft and moisturized, but it also makes sure to help make scars look less prominent by causing them to lighten and slowly fade away. Honey can help face scars quicker because it first works on reducing inflammation and then helps to heal the skin faster, which in turn allows the scar to fade at the same time. Honey is good to fade acne scars and also to treat burns and deep cuts. Tips: use honey as a spot treatment to fade acne scars. Face packs with honey that balance the skin. Make a mix of honey, turmeric and curd for a truly hydrated and well-balanced visage with this amazing face pack. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to a bowl, 2 teaspoons of curd and a pinch of turmeric. Mix all these ingredients together and apply them to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse off. Tips: add a teaspoon of gram flour to the face pack if you have oily skin. Honey face packs that brighten skin. Use the juice of tomatoes along with honey to brighten skin, reduce tan marks and get rid of spots and blemishes. Mix 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed tomato juice with 1 teaspoon honey. Apply this mix on your face in circular motions and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing it up with cool water. Use Stick's home remedy twice a week to see the best results. Tips: honey has exfoliating properties which will help in maintaining good skin health and removing blemishes. Reversing signs of aging with organic honey. The natural antioxidants present in honey, along with being a natural humectant, help with signs of aging majorly. Honey can help control the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines on the face. It provides the skin with the right kind of nourishment to stay healthy, ample moisture, antioxidant properties that help repair skin and fade scars. All in all, it strengthens the skin barriers, therefore delaying signs of aging. Applying honey on the face will help improve the skin's elasticity, making it look youthful and glowing. Tips: opt for a honey face mask every week for glowing youthful skin. If your skin is badly reacting to being out in the sun all day, then honey can come to rescue. Sunburn is caused by spending too much time in the sun and often occurs because of not applying sun protection like SPF. The result of sunburned skin is redness, dryness, and inflamed skin that feels a burning sensation. To cool and treat your skin in such a situation, directly apply a mixture of 1 part raw honey with 2 parts aloe vera gel on the affected area. Do not rub in the mixture, rather let it sit and cool your skin in thick layers. Tips: honey will help your skin's appearance improve post the sunburn too. Honey is highly effective in helping get rid of blackheads at home and can be used as a true pore cleansing agent that doesn't disrupt the skin's pH balance. As honey contains antioxidant, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties along with moisturizing properties, it helps to deeply penetrate the skin, soften the skin layers, and work to remove impurities from pores, including dirt and that causes blackheads. The after effects of honey on the skin is that of hydration and glow. Honey even leaves the skin tight and bouncy with a golden glow and clear complexion. Tips: mix 1 spoon of raw honey with 2 spoons of jojoba oil or coconut oil and apply the mixture to clean dry skin. Massage gently and then rinse with cold water. This is an amazing pore cleansing honey face wash. Thanks for watching this video.